Keeping track of how much charge remains in your laptop battery is easy, but if the battery time estimate is missing, here's how to get it back. For the possible fix, as always, it is a good idea to back up the registry before you make any changes. Then you just have to open regedit, navigate to this location, then find the power key. Now if there's no power key, right-click on it, select New, then choose Key. Now you have to name the new registry key. Then once you're done doing that, right-click on the power key, select New, choose dword, set the name of this dword as this one, double-click the new dword, and set the value data to 1. Now you have to repeat the previous 2 steps to create 2 more dword values, and you have to name this as the following. Now you don't need to change the value data for this, as they should default to a 0 value. So after editing the registry editor, close the registry editor, restart your laptop, open it again, and when you hover over the battery icon in the system tray, it should now show the estimated time remaining in your computer's battery. So that's how to fix missing battery time estimate in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.